Right, so here's today's wee job. So that was, it still is at the moment, an inglenook. And we've just taken that little stove there out of it. And what we're going to be putting in is a tunnel stove. We're going through that wall. And then the other side of the stove is going to be in here, in the dining room. So that drill hole there is where we've drilled through from the back of that fireplace to suss out where we're going to be in here. So yeah, a nice little Monday morning job, all day and probably into tonight, but anyway. Righty ho, so here we are on the other side of the wall now. So I've put a metre long drill bit, came through there, obviously turned a wee bit in the corner or inside the stone as it's gone through. I'm not that far out, I'm nearly a metre. So we're going to cut out those lines there with the wee multi-tool to get us to the back of the fireplace. We're obviously going to have to come up higher than this. We need to put another lintel in this side, but yeah, slow progress. It's heavy going. It's all 6-inch concrete block on the other side now, so see what we get this side. Here's the rubble sacks so far, and the old liner, and two little duckers, look, Quackers 1 and 2. I mean, beautiful place to be working. We're between Caledonian and Lochern Head. Bashing into it. In a minute once it's finished that. So finally we've made it through. This wall here was about 10 inches thick. That block plus the 6-inch here. And the same up the sides here, another 6 inches of concrete. So yeah, we've still got a hell of a lot of work to do. It's now 4:20, so I think this is heading for one of the longest knockouts we've ever done, for some years anyway. Give you an indication of just how wide it all is. Here's the drill bit that we used to mark through onto the other wall in the other room. That's a metre bit. So yeah, bit of a monster. Righty ho. So we're through. All lintel done. It's about 11:30 on day 2. So it's been a bit of a monster so far. Dust extraction there. Main thing now is getting the base half for the stove to sit on over there. We've had to excavate backside of the chimney a wee bit because it was off-centered. It was at 500 and we needed 400 to center line for the spigot on that, and obviously it's a 7-inch spigot, so there's no wiggle room, so we had to create some. Well then, ladies and gents, it's 7:05 on day 2, and here is the Dik Geurts Tunnel stove. So this is what we've got in this room, now ready for the painter and decorator. And if we go round through here, give my jiggy hands, I'm doing some phone. And here we have this side. Again, just waiting on the P&D. Success. 2 very long days, but an amazing stove. Just a particularly hard fit on this occasion, but anyway, anything worth having is worth working for. So yeah, very pleased with that. So that's all tickety boo. Right, cheery bye, boys and girls.